Time to wake up.
Time to wake up.
Get ready for the day.
Get ready for the day.
Go brush your teeth.
Go brush your teeth.
Don't forget to wash your face.
Don't forget to wash your face.
Come, I'll help you get dressed.
Come, I'll help you get dressed.
What would you like for breakfast?
What would you like for breakfast?
Eat your breakfast properly.
Eat your breakfast properly.
Don't talk with food in your mouth.
Don't talk with food in your mouth.
Drink your milk. It's good for you.
Drink your milk. It's good for you.
Hurry up, or you'll be late.
Hurry up, or you'll be late.
Where's your school bag?
Where's your school bag?
Do you have your lunchbox?
Do you have your lunchbox?
Did you pack all your books?
Did you pack all your books?
Put on your shoes properly.
Put on your shoes properly.
Wear your sweater. It's cold outside.
Wear your sweater. It's cold outside.
Be careful on your way to school.
Be careful on your way to school.
Listen to your teacher and behave well.
Listen to your teacher and behave well.
Learn something new today.
Learn something new today.
Sit properly at the table.
Sit properly at the table.
Don't spill your food.
Don't spill your food.
No junk food before meals.
No junk food before meals.
Drink enough water.
Drink enough water.
Use the trash can.
Use a trash can.
Don't pick your nose.
Don't pick your nose.
Always be kind to others.
Always be kind to others.
Respect your elders.
Respect your elders.
Speak politely.
Speak politely.
Close your eyes and relax.
Close your eyes and relax.
No more screen time before bed.
No more screen time before bed.
I believe in you.
I believe in you.
Mistakes help you learn.
Mistakes help you learn.
I'm always here for you.
I'm always here for you.
Want a big hug?
Want a big hug?
Take deep breath and calm down.
Take deep breaths and calm down.
Take a bath.
Take a bath.
Comb your hair daily.
Comb your hair daily.
Put on your shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor.
Wipe the table.
Wipe the table.
Take out the trash.
Take out the trash.
Fold your clothes.
Fold your clothes.
Put away your clothes.
Put away your clothes.
Set the table.
Set the tablet.
Water the plants.
Water the plants.
Pack your school bag.
Pack your school bag.
Assist your mother in household chores.
Assist your mother in household chores.
No playing with food, please.
No playing with food, please.
Finish what's on your plate.
Finish what's on your plate.
Keep your room clean, please.
Keep your room clean, please.
Always apologize when you make a mistake.
Always apologize when you make a mistake.
Sharing is caring, my love.
Sharing is caring, my love.
Don't talk back to elders.
Don't talk back to elders.
Want to play with your favorite toy?
Want to play with your favorite toy?
Let's go for a walk and enjoy the fresh air.
Let's go for a walk and enjoy the fresh air.
Your shoes are untied, let me help.
Your shoes are untied, let me help.
Put on some lotion, your skin is dry.
Put on some lotion, your skin is dry.
Don't forget to use toothpaste.
Don't forget to use toothpaste.
Your hair is messy, let's fix it.
Your hair is messy, let's fix it.
Wash behind your ears too.
Wash behind your ears too.
Use soap, not just water.
Use soap, not just water.
Don't wipe your hands on your clothes.
Don't wipe your hands on your clothes.
Your clothes are ready, put them on.
Your clothes are ready, put them on.
Wipe your face with towel.
Wipe your face with towel.
Turn off your mobile.
Turn off your mobile.
Read it carefully.
Read it carefully.